Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to recover an old Canva account or lost designs. Losing your work is stressful, but you can get it back. First, open Canva and then tap login. Then enter your email or tap forgot password if needed only. Then check your email for reset link, or you can just put another ID that you have signed in from your Apple account. This is an easier way to get back to your account. And then once get logged in, all your designs to recover, go to all your designs to recover lost projects, and that's it. Safety tip: once logged in, safety tip, keep your email account secure to protect old Canva projects. Quick fix: if projects are missing, contact Canva support with your account email. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.